2.6 Birds can fly. Listen, sing and act. Birds can fly, birds can fly. Up in the sky and I can fly too. Frogs can jump, frogs can jump. Very, very high and I can jump too. Ducks can swim, ducks can swim. Deep in the water and I can swim too. Dogs can walk, dogs can walk. On the ground and I can walk too. Horses can run, horses can run. In the forest and I can run too. Bunnies can hop, bunnies can hop. On the grass and I can hop too. Listen, read and act. Walk, jump, hop, run, swim, fly. Listen and say. Tall tree, tiny tree. Cat, curds, carrots. Happy hen's house. 5 funny frogs.